Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your iCloud address and Apple ID are working, because authentication is the first blocker. Once done, generate an app-specific password in your Apple ID security settings if you use two-factor. Gmail needs that. Then open Gmail on a desktop browser and go to Settings, Accounts, and Import. This is where you add another email account. Make sure you choose to import via POP or link, via forwarding, depending on whether you want mail copied or accessed. Now authenticate. When Gmail prompts, type your full iCloud email and paste the app-specific password you created. This is why you prepared it. Next, configure POP settings manually. Use POP, Mail, Me, COM with port 995, and enable SSL so your messages transfer securely. While setting import options, pick a label to separate iCloud Mail in Gmail and decide whether to leave a copy on the iCloud server. Leave it if you want messages available on other devices. Save and continue to confirm. You're nearly done. Test by composing a message in Gmail and selecting your iCloud address as the From account so you confirm sending works. If Gmail shows connection errors, first recheck the app-specific password, port 995, and SSL. Sometimes regenerating the app password resolves authentication issues. Also verify network or firewall settings. Temporarily disabling them or switching browsers can reveal local blocks. Once messages send and sync reliably, monitor for a day to ensure no duplicates or missing mail and adjust settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.